A once neglected plot of land. A former dump surrounded by wild bushes and polluted soil. A place that might have been considered to have no future. But in the hands of a visionary architect, this plot of land has found its meaning again. The house is only 157 square meters. But don't let its size fool you. Every meter is utilized to its full potential, no space is wasted, and no aesthetics are compromised. What makes this house even more special is the personal touch in every corner. Almost all of the interior elements, from the furniture, lighting, to the small details, were custom designed based on the owner's own hand-drawn sketches. Nothing is generic or chosen at random. Every shape, texture, and composition reflects the tastes, values, and lifestyles of the home's inhabitants. The kitchen is designed to be the heart of everyday activities. Functional and minimalist, with an efficient layout, facilitating every movement while maintaining cleanliness and tidiness. Natural materials and soft lighting create a warm atmosphere, making cooking and gathering here always a pleasure. The bedroom is a space of tranquility and privacy. The design emphasizes comfort with warm touches of wood and neutral colors. Soft lighting helps create a relaxing atmosphere, while windows overlooking the garden provide a sense of connection with nature, making every morning and night feel peaceful. Personally, not just for general use, but tailored to the occupant's routines and habits, a quiet reading area, a private workspace overlooking nature, a small window seat to enjoy the pool view. A once discarded environment is now celebrated. A land that was unappreciated is now sustaining life. Matski House is proof that with a strong vision and sincere intentions, even the darkest places can become light.